What is up? Today was actually an exciting video. Well, it still is. We came to this vending machine restaurant. I've always wanted to make this video ever since I saw that vending machine corner that they had in Tokyo Drift. Yeah, this one. And I've always been interested because it's Tokyo. So I've searched online about where that one is, the one in the movie. I'm not sure if it's a fake one. I'm not sure if it's CG'd in or blue screen in. But I couldn't find it. But I found this one supposedly is famous, and it is. Like, it's packed. Well, it is Sunday as well, but it's like super packed. Marco's here, so we're gonna go in. It's just a small restaurant. Not sure if I can speak in it. Don't want to disturb anyone's meal, but I will try to make a vlog out of it. It's a vending machine restaurant, and there's still a lot of people. It's 2020. It's kind of weird. It's very weird to me. I feel like it's just weird. Dinner Automat. It's called the Dinner Automat. It's a vending machine restaurant. So right here, if you guys can see, that's the hamburger machine. And then those are like the noodles machine. You got some udon and ramen. You can eat those. The price are, it's alright. It's 300 yen for a burger and 300 yen for the noodles. So the price is alright. But let's see what's the taste. That's the most important one. I'm gonna get the burger. I don't know which one I'm gonna get. I got a cheeseburger and a tartar meat sauce bacon kind of burger. I'm gonna try that one, the tartar meat sauce one. Marco, what do you want? Ramen. You need a. No, we don't. She's gonna have the udon. I'll probably have the ramen as well as. So let's go get the burger first. It's 300 yen. I'm gonna put in my coin. You can't use 500 yen. So you gotta use the 100 yen coins. That's a note. Okay, so Marco wanted the double cheese, so I'm gonna get the double cheese. So it takes a minute, roughly a minute. There's a timer right there. There's a timer right there. 1 minute to get the burger hot. I can't see what's inside, but 1 minute. 1 minute till the oven is, I don't know, I'm assuming they're heating up the burger. I'm not assuming that they're gonna make the burger inside the vending machine. Kind of stretching it, but I'm excited. This place is quite small. The only food they got is this 3 machine. They do also have a sandwich machine, so that's 4 food. I see 2 drinks. So it's not much, and then there's like games for kids to play. What's that? It's hot. That's very hot. So this is the so it says cheese. So I'm assuming that's double cheese. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna put this down first. Probably can't eat this. It's a little bit hot. We're gonna get the udon next. The store goes all the way down there. It's not that big. So right there, see, those are the vending machines. It's quite small. I was expecting a little bit bigger. You know what? The fact that these machines are still up, it's great. It's mind blowing. And you guys can tell the machines are quite old. I think that's why people think Japan is ahead, because all of this, and they are ahead. This is for us. It's already, it's already old news to Japan. These vending machines are old news. I don't know. If you guys get what I'm trying to say, it's really mind-blowing that Japan is, how ahead Japan is. I'm opening this without Marco. She's gonna be mad. Oh, hello. The udon took 30 seconds. It's faster than the burger. Oh, it looks alright. It looks actually nice. Look at that. Ooh, steam. get the steam. Okay, so I'm gonna try the cheeseburger. Now, I gotta be honest a little bit. The udon, I'm a little bit skeptical. It's from a machine that I want to believe that they clean out every month or a week or so, but a little bit hard to imagine that. Seeing the state of it, seeing the food coming out of that, I don't know. I'm a little bit skeptical, but it looks alright. It is Japan, and this place is still standing, so I'm assuming cleanse. Yeah, sure. Should be alright. The double cheeseburger. That's one cheese. Another cheese is on top of the burger. They got this brown barbecue-like sauce. Okay, let's try it. Okay. It's kind of hard to explain. It is nice, but it's not a hamburger. More like a meatloaf that you stick between the bread. I guess that's what hamburger is, but it's more a Japanese hamburger. I don't know, I was expecting more like a McDonald's hamburger, but it's more like a meatloaf. Like I said, it's more like a meatloaf stuck between the bread. Put some cheese on it, some sauce. It's alright. For 300 yen from a machine, it's alright. The udon, try the udon. Color looks alright. The noodles are a little bit stuck together, understandable, from a machine. It's bland. It's kind of interesting though. They got the color of the tsuyu, of the shoyu based soup. They got the color of it, but it's just so bland. I don't know why. There's no taste in the noodle. The soup is giving it a little bit of taste, but like I said, it's bland. The tempura is alright though. Tempura always gonna. No. I guess for Japanese, the tempura is not that nice, but to me, it's alright. Okay, we're done. Let's go. We're going to go shopping. Furniture shopping. IKEA. Yeah. Whew, that was a very long drive. It's 3 hours. 3 hours. We actually went to Gunma. I did not tell you guys that the automated restaurant was actually at Gunma, so it's quite far from where we are right now. We are at Saitama right now, or Chiba. I don't know. It's between those lines. Chiba Prefecture and Saitama Prefecture. We actually came to this second-hand store kind of place. So I said we was going to a furniture shopping. So here we are. Before we go into IKEA, we kind of have an idea of what IKEA is and how much it is. So we decided to come to this nearest second-hand store just to see if there's a cheaper alternative. If there isn't, we're going to IKEA and buy what we plan to buy. Basically. Oh my god, they got a DJI Spark! Oh no! I might waste money on this. We decided to not buy that sofa, although it was perfect for her room. It was small, cheap, great, but we decided to come to IKEA, see what they have to offer, and then maybe, I don't know, if we do have time, we might go back there. If we haven't found anything in IKEA, we'll probably go back, get the sofa, and just go back home. Alright? Yes, but first I need to shit. Oh god. we've decided which sofa. We've decided the sofa. We decided well, that's it. We decided sofa. We want to buy another bedside table, a bedside table, and a cabinet-like bookshelf. So still trying to search for that. Think many different types of small cabinets for the bedside. Not finding anything. We're in a pickle. We are in a pickle. Marco, we are in a pickle. She doesn't know what that means.
Pickle. Pickles.
Okay. Alright. Okay, we're back. Now we gotta put the sofa through that small hall. I don't know how we're gonna do it. Okay. Damn, it's a little bit cold. Alright, we are done with everything with setting things up, building stuff. Just yeah, okay. God, this room is very cold. We bought the sofa. It fits perfectly. This it's perfect. It fits perfectly between the bed and the sofa. We also bought a cabinet up there by the TV. It's not that important. It's just some stuff for her to put her stuff. So that's it. Very tired right now. Gotta do some work. So I'm gonna end this vlog. This outro it's already full. How am I supposed to cut?